Today, we will compare to microcurrent muscle stimulator slimming machines, LY-2001B and LY-2000B. They have different functions. Let's see which one is more suitable for your needs. LY-2001B is equipped with an EMS patch with heating function, which can provide a warm feeling while stimulating muscles, help relieve muscle fatigue, and promote blood circulation. The EMS patch of LY-2000B does not have this function. LY-2001B has added 10 pairs of electroacupuncture suckers, which can be used for muscle stimulation in more parts, covering a larger area and more efficient. LY-2000B is equipped with a pair of breast massage pads designed for breast massage, bringing a special care experience. LY-2001B suits those seeking efficient full-body muscle stimulation, while LY-2000B excels in breast care. Both deliver exceptional beauty results. Contact us today.